So on our earlier sessions we spoke about moving averages, we spoke about moving average convergence, divergence line, ROC and RSI. So remember, moving averages are actually lagging indicators, as in once a trend is established, that's when the signals come on the moving average. If you're looking at the MACD, it's sort of like a lagging leading indicator. It's somewhere in the middle. And then you have RSI and ROC, which actually help to figure out the beginning of trends. Now if you're trying to put all of these together and see what the charts tell you, it's time to do that now, Dr. Narayan.
See, what you're trying to do here is try to line up all the ducks in a row so that you can shoot them with just a single bullet. But then it won't really happen so very nicely, but it would actually come rather close to it. Let me show it to you on a chart. Now here is the chart of this Reliance prior to its large drop recently. Now what you see here, where I marked it as let's say point number 1, is where the prices have actually slipped beneath the moving average. Now we have taken that the crossover of the price over the moving average as well as one MA over the other as a signal of a bearish trend. Now if you go down to these set of panels where I have the MACD, I have the ROC and I have the RSI. Now in the MACD, what we see here is that the MACD line is already beneath zero, reconfirming the fact that the share is on a downtrend, and at this particular point the MACD line cuts its trigger line, which is also evidenced by the fact that the MACD, let's say the MACD histogram here is actually in the negative
side.
If you go down to the ROC is something which we take as a labeling between plus levels and minus levels based upon whether it's more than 0 or less than 0. We see that at point number 3 the ROC has actually cut in advance of the price change lower than 0, here again signaling that the trend is bearish. A very similar situation exists with the RSI, where there was a small rally but it is unable to exceed even the neutral level of RSI, which will be somewhere around 50 odd, and then the prices actually fall away, the indicator actually falls away from it. So here if you combine all this, your MACD is actually reconfirming bearishness, your ROC is saying that I'm now lower than 0, so this is bearish, your RSI is not able to go up and is actually pulled back from 50, your prices are lower than your moving averages. Now here are all the ducks lined up in a row and all you got to do is shoot them.
Alright then, time to see how our viewers fared on their quiz from last time, and it's really heartening to know that a lot of you are enjoying our show because we're getting in a lot of answers to the questions we put in, and there was a bearish view that our viewers told us about, but we'll tell you more on that after this.